Hello. Today I want to show you the new version of MetaReForge. It is called MetaReForge-Lite. This version has been developed from scratch to make editing the new Metahumans from Unreal Engine 5.6 a bit easier in Blender. One very important thing, this add-on is currently in the testing phase. To properly test it, I'm inviting everyone interested to take part in the testing. Just email me and you will get the access to the add-on. Everyone who provides useful feedback, whether it's a bug report or idea for a helpful feature, will receive the add-on forever. This offer is limited in time. The testing will continue until the end of August. Anyone who already owns the full version of MetaReForge will get the light version for free with no additional conditions. So let's dive into how it works. The add-on is installed like a regular Blender add-on. Right now the add-on is in testing, so many things are still subject to change, but there are two important concepts which has corresponding sections. Edit meshes. So these are the meshes that we will edit in Blender. The main benefit here is that we can have a merged head and body mesh without worrying that changes in topology will make the mesh unusable as a conformal template in Unreal Engine. Also, it's much easier to align body and head as it is a single seamless mesh. The next concept is template meshes. These are meshes generated by the add-on based on the edit meshes. These template meshes are fully compatible with the new Metahuman creator bundled with Unreal Engine. There are two ways to start working. First method, import meshes from FBX. You can export the head and body meshes from Unreal Engine as FBX. This section also accepts the lowest load FBX files from the output of the full version of MetaReForge, so you may use your Metahumans from your old MetaReForge project as well. Second method is convert a mesh from DAZ Genesis 9. I plan to expand it to support other topologies. Let me know in the comments below if you would like to see a one-click conversion from any other topology to Metahuman. Let me show the first method. I select the path to the files and click Init Edit Meshes. Everything is generated. Now I can make changes. And regarding editing, there is currently one interesting feature that helps when you need to make significant changes. The feature is about symmetry. Regular metahumans are not symmetrical, and that's understandable, as real people are not perfectly symmetrical as well, and even more, full symmetry looks unnatural. But that applies to fine details. When we are working on the overall shape, symmetry becomes really useful. However, I can't directly edit mesh symmetrically in edit mode. We have several options here. We can either link the selected vertices to their counterparts on the other side, or copy the position of the selected points to the opposite side. But honestly, I prefer another feature called Symmetrize All. It has several options: left to right, right to left, and average. I usually choose average. As a result, we get a symmetrical mesh that is a middle ground between the original left and original right sides. From here, we can freely edit the entire mesh with symmetry enabled. To generate template meshes, switch to Template Meshes tab and click Generate Templates. As you see, separate meshes are created for body, head, eyes, and teeth. The main task of this function is to ensure that the generated object have exactly the topology required by Metahuman Creator. Because even when you export mesh directly from Unreal Engine, topology may be broken and likely won't be suitable as a template mesh, and you will get an error like this. So let's load everything in Unreal Engine. I import all our OBJ files. Then I create a new Metahuman character. If you don't see this option, make sure the necessary engine components are installed and the necessary plugins are enabled. Let's assign the body. Go to Body, Conform, from Template, select the body static mesh, and hit Import. Go to Head, Conform, from Template, select the required meshes, set alignment to none, and disable adapt neck, since our meshes are already aligned and we don't want Unreal Engine to introduce any additional deformations. Then click Conform. And from here, you can continue customizing your Metahuman. You can add rig, you can assign material, you can add hair, and so on. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos.